Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects from Asana to Trello, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer projects from Asana to Trello, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project you wish to transfer. Click on the project name to open the project details. Next, export the project's data by selecting the Export/Print option. Choose CSV to download the project in a spreadsheet format. Save the CSV file to your computer for easy access. Now, open your Trello account and select the board where you want to import the Asana project. In Trello, locate the menu on the right side of the board. Click on More to expand the options available. Select Import CSV from the drop-down menu. A prompt will appear, allowing you to upload your CSV file. Choose the Asana CSV file you downloaded earlier. As you upload the file, Trello will guide you through mapping the columns from the CSV to Trello's card fields. Carefully align each Asana column to the corresponding Trello fields. Confirm your selections and proceed with the import process. Once the import is complete, review the imported cards on your Trello board. You may need to make adjustments, like assigning team members or setting due dates. Organize your newly imported cards into lists that reflect your workflow. Finally, ensure that all project details are in order and make any necessary edits. Your Asana project is now successfully transferred to Trello and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.